there, it's Jenny from The Sewing Palace. Are you at home and you need something fun to do that's positive and feeds your creative soul? Well, we've got it here. It's called the Online Block Challenge, and I'm going to tell you more about it. There's great prizes and some fun sewing. Let's get started. All right, I'm going to tell you about the prizes first because they are cool. Just for participating, you get a 20% off coupon off your entire purchase on one day. Now that coupon's good on anything. That means Bernina sewing machines, that means batting, that means anything you want in the store. So just for participating, you get a pretty cool coupon. Second, if you're the winner, you get a $25 gift certificate plus this prize basket. And the prize basket is worth 75 bucks. So those prizes are cool. Are you interested? All right, so you're interested. That's great. I'm glad. So what you need to do is you call the store and you order your kit. The kit is $7. It has quite a bit of fabric in it to make a 12-inch block. They are these fabrics, which are from Victoria Finlay Wolf, and there's 3 colors and then a background fabric. You get a big strip of that and some smaller strips of this. Your kit's a lot bigger than this. And then there's the rules in your kit. So you'll be able to have the rules that come right with the kit, and we'll mail it to you. So then you play with your fabrics and you figure out, what am I going to do? I'm going to make a 12-inch block. How do I do that? You make a 12-inch block and you take a picture of it and you email it back to the store. The catch is you've got to get that done by April 7th. So you got to hurry up and make a block. Once your block's finished, I'll make a slideshow and then we'll vote on Facebook. So the winner gets all this cool stuff, but remember, you get a great coupon just for participating. All right, so you're interested and you want to participate. Do you want some ideas for some inspiration? So this is my idea of a 12-inch finished block using all the fabrics in the kit. I didn't add any extra fabric. Remember, it's a 12-inch finished block, so you just got to know a little bit of math. What is 12 inches divisible by? 6 inches, 4 inches. You could even do 8 plus some 2s. You could also do all 2-inch, as long as it finishes at 12 inches finished. That's 12 and a half unfinished. So this is where I got my inspiration. This is called double dozen. There's 12 12-inch finished blocks, plus there's 24 6-inch blocks. So you have a lot of ideas for making blocks. You could take this as your inspiration to get you started. Let's just break down my block for a second. 12-inch finished, there's 3 rows, which means these are divisible by 4. 4, 8, 12. Okay, so 4 and a half unfinished, 4 and a half, 4 and a half. This right here is a half square triangle. This right here is pretty easy. It's just a solid block cut at 4 and a half. This right here is a square and a square block with a little 4 patch in the center. So that's where I added the little bit of spice. But remember, I got the idea from this. You just got to get your mind going and get some creativity going. It's a good thing for our brains right now. All right, so you know about it, you're interested, you're going to participate, and I gave you some ideas. What do you do next? Well, you call the store at 406-443-5724, and we'll send you a kit. We just need your address, and then you'll send it in. What else do you need to know? Well, you got to know how to take a great picture of your block and email it to us. That's all you got to do. Then maybe you could collect your friends and tell them to vote for your block. You could sway the vote. Wouldn't that be fun? Let's do this together. This will be fun. It's a community event. Let's do it together. I'm so glad you're going to join us. Call the store at 443-5724. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.